Okay guys, today we're doing a video on the Class C motorhome. This is a Ford E-450 2018 chassis, but we're replacing the headlight bulbs with these Silver Star Ultra bulbs. I basically need some more clarity, distance, brighter lights for nighttime driving compared to what comes with it. So we're going to upgrade the lights here. I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. All right, there's just 3 bolts you have to take off. This top one here, when you open the hood, it's 8mm here on top of the housing, and then down between the bumper and the headlight, there's 2 down there. Both are 7mm. You need kind of an extension to get the socket down in there. Take those off. This whole headlight assembly just pulls out. All right, when you're pulling the headlight assembly out, there's 3 bulbs you have to disconnect in the back here. You disconnect this wire here, one here. This is the headlight bulb. So the bottom one here is this headlight bulb. To get this out, I'm just going to turn counterclockwise and the bulb comes out. So here's our old one. We'll install the new one just the same way. All right, just make sure that's tight. Put it back in. All right, I got the lights installed on both sides. I turned them on just to make sure they work, and looks like they do. Got to test them out at nighttime just to see if there's much improvement. I'm hopeful there is, but it's a fairly easy swap, and should be a decent upgrade just to give a little better night vision driving at the night. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. We'll see how it goes. I'll give a review after I've driven a little bit of night.